welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a cracker recipe that I got from sweettoothgoodies.wordpress.com, and the link to the recipe will be down in the description below. And I've made this one before, and this is one I've been holding off ever since I started Recipes Tested to show you guys for Christmas, because honestly, it is almost indescribably addictive. And the first time I made these, I made them as the directions are written, and I've kind of tweaked them a little bit and I found a way to really make this cracker recipe just even more explosively good than it already is. So if you guys want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So first things first, I got going with my humongous bowl and unsalted saltine crackers. And I got 4 sleeves of those and put them in my bowl. And then next I poured over a cup of vegetable oil. She used canola, but that's just what I had. And a packet of ranch dressing, just the powder. And this is where you control the spice. I did 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but you can add more or less. And then I started mixing this together, and she said to mix it for a good 5 to 10 minutes to get everything incorporated, which is true. But in all reality, I kind of got tired of mixing after about 4 minutes, so I just went until my muscles kind of gave out and I just wanted to stop. And then I got my biggest baking sheet, lined it with a silicone mat, and laid them out flat. The recipe said to just lay them on a baking sheet, but I find that laying them flat and using multiple baking sheets makes them cook a lot faster and more evenly, and ensures that every one of them gets the oil absorbed with the heat of the oven. And so I did this and got 4 full baking sheets full of my ranch crackers. And then I baked them at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes, kind of burned them, and then salted them when they were still hot. That's it.
All right, guys, so the crackers have cooled, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if they're love at first bite. These are incredible. They are the perfect blend of like everything bad for you. You know, these are really kind of fatty and salty and spicy and creamy and delicious. I rate these a 10 out of 10 by doing my trick of getting unsalted saltines and then adding the salt on top after they're done baking. Really brings that salt flavor through instead of letting it hide behind the ranch. This is just a really, really, really good holiday side dish. I think that these would be good with like tomato soup and adding it to anything that you want to just add a little bit of a heat, because these don't have an outrageously ranchy flavor. I immediately get the fattiness from the oil and the heat from the red pepper flakes as my flavor notes. The ranch is more of a creaminess to kind of smooth it out, but it's still there. It's just kind of mellow. But these are really, really good. I really think that doing my twist on these really brings these up to the next level. And I really hope that you guys bring these to your next holiday get together, and leave a comment down below and let me know if you make them, because they're super quick and easy. And this is a really nice, cheap, easy way to get people talking about food. And I don't know if you guys are like me or not, but I love that. It brings me so much joy knowing that I did something that could make people love what I love as much as I do. But I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes tested, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna eat all of them.